Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use workflow automation template in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your top right corner to find the workflow automation icon here like this. But if you can't find it, you can just go to the search box and you can find or search workflow and you will find, oops, you will find workflow automation. Click on it. And then in the workflow automation page, you will find a lot of templates here. You can choose whatever you want, whatever you need. So let's say you want to send payment reminder, just for example, send reminders to customers to get paid on time. So maybe you need this template, you can just click on it. And then as you can see, this is the workflow, and if you think it's all good, you can just click this save and turn on. Since I'm using demo account, I can, turn it on. But if you are using real account, you can use it. So let's say you need another template, maybe this one, schedule and send a report. You can click on it and then you can set it up. All of the information here, it's up to you. And then you can add another information here and then you can just click save and turn on and it's done. So I think that's it, how to use workflow automation template in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.